Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert emojis to your document created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the document, and after that you should tap on this insert button at the top of the screen on the left side. And then you should go to the right side of the screen where you can find the emoji button at the top below the share button. Here you can find the more emojis button, so tap on it. You can select from the above categories and then just simply tap on the relevant one that you would like to insert, and you can see that it has been inserted. Tap on the X button if you want to get back to your document, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.